Okay, so this is our example number 3 for slope deflection equation for the analysis of beams. Determine the moment at A and B for the beam shown in the figure. The support of B is displaced or settles 80 mm. So take E is equal to 200 gigapascal, so that is the modulus of elasticity of the material, the beam. And I is the moment of inertia, which is equivalent to 5 times 10 raised to 6 mm to the fourth. Okay? So, yan. So, drawing muna natin yung mga moment nila. So, dito, actually, ito magiging obvious to di ba? Anyway, gawin pa natin siyang positive clockwise para sa equation natin. So, this is moment AB, and this is clockwise din na moment MBA. Okay, so ito obvious naman na to. Ang magiging ano niya dito, moment niya is counterclockwise. Bakit? Kasi yung ating 8 kN is iikot ng clockwise. So, i-resist yun ng member natin na BC. Kaya yung ating BC niyan is counterclockwise dito. So, yung NBA natin is clockwise. So, para mamaya, mag-equilibrium tayo para sa joint B. Okay? So, ngayon, kapag kinuha naman natin yung FEM nung ating member AB, that is equivalent to 0. Kasi wala naman tayong load between segment AB. Okay, wala rin naman tayong FEM, okay, or fixed-ended fixed-end moment para sa member BC kasi hang lang siya, naka-overhang. So, madali natin makukuha yung moment na yun, and that is equals to 8 kN multiplied by 3. Okay, so, anyway, sige, solve na rin natin. So, at BC. Okay. Wait lang. Okay, so, i-drawing rin pala natin yung settlement to kasi meron pala ditong nilagay yung atin daw support at B is magse-settle ng 80 mm. Sabihin, i-drawing natin siya. Yan. Then ito yung yung support niya nung una. Okay. Then ito yung original position niya. So, nag-settle daw siya. Okay. So, nangyari, yung chord natin yan dito, okay, sa point A and B is pa ganito. Yan. Then, yung ating BC, tutuloy lang yan kasi wala namang nakasupport sa C Okay, not unless kung meron nakasupport sa C, gaganito yung ating member BC. Okay, kaso wala namang support dito. Kaya yung ating member BC, susunod lang sa ating chord AB. Okay? So, this is A and this is B. Then, yung ating delta rito, ayan, okay, ang delta natin ngayon is 80 mm. So, meron na tayong ngayong psi. Okay? And this is point C. Okay, so this is sabihin natin B prime. And this is C prime. Okay? So, ngayon, pwede na nating masolve yung MBC. Okay? Pwede natin mag-moment sa B sa right section. So, MBC is equals to, ang clockwise rotation kasi is negative. Okay? So, negative 8 multiplied by 3. So, that is 24. Okay? Tama ba? So, 8 times 3. Pati ito, nakakalimutan ko na. Yan. So, 24 kN. So, negative. So, negative 24 kN meter. So, negative kasi clockwise siya sa right section and that is magiging negative. Okay? So, ngayon, i-resist yun ng moment MBC natin. Kung ito iikot ng clockwise, ang MBC natin dapat ay counterclockwise. Okay? So, meron na tayong MBC. Ayan. So, ngayon, yung ating segment AB is parehas na fixed. So, ang gagamitin natin dito na equation is yung equation number 3. Okay? So, at AB, gamitin natin yung equation natin. So, MAB is equals to 2AK multiplied by 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 psi. Okay, hindi na 0 yung psi natin, okay? Then, wag na natin isama yung FPM kasi 0 naman. Next, MBA is equals to 2 multiplied by E, K, multiplied by 2 theta B plus theta A minus 3 psi. So, solve natin yung psi. So, psi is equals to delta over L. So, since ang ating psi, ito, with respect to horizontal axis, is nag-rotate ng clockwise, therefore, ang ating psi is positive. Okay? So, psi is equals to delta, which is 80 millimeters, over L. Ang L natin is what? 4 meters. Okay? So, 4,000 para maging millimeter. Kasi ang psi is unitless. Ratio kasi siya. So, 80 millimeters over 4 meters times 1,000 para maging millimeter yan. So, magka-cancel out yung millimeter natin. So, 0.02. 0.02. Yan. Okay. Then, ang K natin is I over L. Yan. So, K is equals to I over L. Ang I natin is 5 times 10 raised to 6 millimeter to the fourth over L. Ang L natin is, okay, 4,000 millimeters. So, 5 times 10 raised to 6 over 4,000. So, ito niyan is 1,250 millimeter to the cube. Millimeter cube. Ayan. Okay. So, kahit lang ganun ipapabili siya. Ayan. Okay. So, yung 2EK natin, pwede natin yung mas i-simplify. So, 2EK, para hindi natin siya, para di siya humaba rito. Okay, so 2EK is equivalent to 2 multiplied by E. Ang E natin is 200 gigapascal. So, i-convert natin into megapascal para maging Newton millimeter squared. Okay, so 200 times 10 raised to 3. So, megapascal na yan. Okay, so ang megapascal natin kasi is equivalent din sa Newton millimeter squared. Okay, then multiplied by K. Ang K natin is 1,250 millimeter cube. Yan. So, 2 multiplied by 200 times 10 raised to 3 multiplied by 1250. So, ilan na yan to? Okay, yan. Okay. So, magka-cancel out. Wait lang. Cancel out to. And, so this is Newton millimeter. Okay, kung Newton millimeter to, i-convert natin into kilonewton meter. So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin ng okay, yung answer, divide natin ng 1,000 para maging kilonewton. Then, divide pa natin ng ng 1,000 para maging meter. Yan. So, 500. So, 500 kilo Newton meter. Okay. Ayan na siya. So, ito na sa substitute natin dito. So, makuha natin yung MAB. So, MAB is equals to 500 kilonewton meter multiplied by 2 theta A. Yes, ang 2 theta A natin is equals to 0 pala. Yan, yung theta A natin. Kasi fix yan diba? So, matitira na lang dito is theta B. Okay? Minus 3 multiplied by psi. Ang psi natin is 0.02. So, 0.02. Okay? Ayan. Pwede pa ba natin i-simplify ito? Wag na muna siguro. Okay, sige. Pwede natin i-simplify. So, MAB is equals to 500 theta B minus 500 times negative 3, no? Negative 3 times 0.02. So, negative 30. So, negative 30. Okay? So, ito na ngayon yung ating equation number 1. Next, MBA. So, MBA natin that is equivalent to 500 kilonewton meter multiplied by 2 theta b. So 2 theta b minus 3 multiplied by 0.02. Yan. So, simplify pa natin. MBA is equivalent to, okay, so 1,000 theta B minus 30. And ito na ngayon yung ating equation number 2. Yan. Okay. Pero syempre, alam naman natin na equilibrium sa joint B. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, at joint B, okay? At joint B natin, ito, drawing natin. Yan. Okay? Yung moment natin dito ngayon, ito kasi is clockwise, no? Yan. So, clockwise ang MAB. Yan. Ito naman, counter-clockwise. Okay? Yung MBC. Yan. Ibig sabihin, equilibrium na yan. Okay? So, pag mag-summation of ano tayo, summation of moment at B is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. MAB minus MBC. Okay? So, magiging ano yan? MAB is equals to MBC. So, therefore, MAB is equals to 24. Okay, so 24 kilonewton. So 24 kilonewton meter. Ayan. So, substitute natin yung MAB dito. Okay. Sorry. MBA pala. MBA. Okay. Yan. Okay. Yan, hindi masolve natin yung theta b natin dito sa equation number 2. So this is 24 kilonewton meter. Is equivalent to 100. Sorry, hindi pala 100. 1,000. So, ayaw talaga makisama ng ating pen tab. 1,000 theta b minus 30. So, lahat to para pares na kilonewton meter. So, magka-cancel out yung mga unit. Ang ating theta b is unitless. Okay? So, ang ating theta b is 24 plus 30 kasi ito-transpose natin yung 30. Okay? Then, divided by 1,000. Okay? So, ang theta b natin is 0.054 rad. Okay, radians yan. So, rad. Okay? So, nasolve na natin yung theta b natin. Ibig sabihin, masolve na natin ngayon yung MAB. So, mayroon na tayong MBA and MBC. So, ito yung ating MBC. Then, ito naman yung MBA. Kaya masolve na natin ngayon yung ito. Yan. Ito yung ating MBC. Ito naman yung ating MBA. So, ngayon, masolve na natin yung MAB. So, therefore, MAB is equals to, ilan ba to? Okay, 500 multiplied by theta b na 0.054 minus 30. So, negative 3. Okay, napakaliit ng ng MAB, no? So, negative 3.0 kilonewton. Okay? Per Newton meter. So, ilagay pa pala natin yung kanilang mga rotation. So, since negative ang AB, therefore, ang ating MAB is counterclockwise. Yan. Then, ang MBA natin is, tama lang to, clockwise. Okay? Then, ito, yung MBC natin is counterclockwise. Okay? Ayan, yun lang naman ang pinapa-require ng ating problem. Pero maganda na rin, tuloy na rin natin, isolve na rin natin yung mga shear natin. Okay? So dito, at AB, okay, so simple na natin yung drawing. Ayan. Okay, so this is A, this is B. Okay, then ang moment natin, wait lang, ito. This is 4 meters pala. Then ang moment natin sa A is 3. Counterclockwise. 3.0. Ang moment naman natin dito is 24 clockwise. Okay, then yung ating mga shear. Okay, so kapag nag-moment tayo sa B, ito kasi is clockwise eh. Ito counterclockwise, mas malaki clockwise. Ibig sabihin kailangan ng tulong ni 3.0 na iikot na counterclockwise sa B. So ibig sabihin, dapat downward yung ating AV. Okay? Then yung sa B naman, kung downward to, edi ito niyan is upward. So shear B1. So shear B1. So mag-moment na lang tayo sa B. Summation of moment at B is equals to 0. Clockwise is positive. So negative AV multiplied by 4. Okay. Minus 3.0 plus 24 is equals to 0. Therefore, AV is, okay, so negative AV multiplied by 4 minus 3 plus 24 is equals to 0. Oops. Pwede na yan. Yeah. So, 8.25. So, positive 8.25 kilonewton. So, since positive to, tama yung ating assumption sa direction. Ang ating AV is downward. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung ating V1, yung shear V1 natin is also equals to 8.25 kilonewton, pero upward siya. Okay? Yan. Then last, BC naman. Okay, sa BC, obvious yan, na yung ating shear sa BC is also equivalent to 8 kilonewton, hindi ba? So, drawing pa natin yan, ito na yan. Yan. Okay, naka-overhang siya. Then, ito yung ating support B. Then this is C. Then this is 8 kilonewton. Kahit hindi natin ilagay yung moment, alam na natin na ang shear natin dito is upward na 8 kilonewton. Para i-resist yung downward na 8 kilonewton. So, upward ito. This is shear B2. So, this is equals to 8 kilonewton. Okay? Ayan siya. So, kung upward to, ibig sabihin yung ating support at B, yung dalawang, yung sasaluhin niya yung parehas na yon. Okay? Kasi pagpunta natin sa B, dito, magiging siyang parehas na downward. So, this is shear B1 and shear B2. Ibig sabihin yung ating reaction at B is ito, magiging upward para saluhin yung shear B1 and B2. So, ibig sabihin, by summation of forces vertical is equals to 0. Upward is positive. Yung ating RB, RB to. Okay? This is RB. Okay? So, sabihin yung RB natin is equivalent to V1, 8.25 plus 8. Okay? Siya. So, 16.25. 16.25. So, upward to. Okay? Yan, kinampeta na natin. So, sobrang dali na lang ng ano nito, shear and moment diagram kasi ang shear natin yan dito is downward yung AB, then ano siya, rectangle, then plus 16.25 baangat, then 8 yun. Ganun siya. So, ano lang siya, rectangle na dalawa. Okay? Then, kapag moment, madali na lang din. First degree lang lahat. Okay? So, ngayon, check natin kung tama yung reaction natin kasi ang reaction natin sa A is negative 8.25 dahil downward. Then, ang reaction natin sa B is 16.25. Then, ang 8 kN natin is downward, so negative 8. So, 0. So, tama tayo sa summation of forces vertical. So, kapag check nyo rin yung ano dyan, moment, mag-0 rin yan at any point kasi equilibrium. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na dapat masatisfy natin yung equilibrium condition sa ating structure. Okay? So, this is our example number 3 for slope deflection equation for the analysis of beams.